If your Yelp review got flagged but not removed, you're stuck in filter limbo, and ReputationZilla pulls it out in 72 hours. Here's the problem. Yelp's filter keeps your review visible to you but hidden from everyone else. Check if your review is actually live by logging out and searching the business page within 3 minutes. Yelp hides reviews from accounts under 30 days old or with fewer than 3 reviews posted in 2026. Yelp's automated filter flags reviews it thinks are fake or biased. The review stays on your account but doesn't show up in the business's public star average. A competitor posts a fake review about your business, it gets flagged within 6 hours, but Yelp never removes it. Your rating stays tanked. You appeal 3 times and nothing changes. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle the flag appeals that Yelp ignores when you do them yourself. Most people fail here. They assume flagged means removed. It doesn't. Flagged reviews still hurt your business because Yelp shows them inconsistently based on the viewer's account age and activity. You check your page and see 4.8 stars. A new customer checks and sees 3.2 stars because Yelp shows them the flagged reviews. The filter is random. Do not assume your rating is what you see when logged in. With ReputationZilla we force Yelp to either fully remove the review or restore it to your public average, no middle ground. Log out of Yelp completely. Open an incognito window. Search the business name and open the Yelp page. Scroll to reviews. If your flagged review doesn't appear in the list, it's filtered. Yelp's filter affects roughly 18% of all reviews posted in 2026. Most business owners never check this way and think their rating is accurate when it's not. File a dispute through Yelp's Business Owner portal. Go to the flagged review, click Report, select the policy it violates. Yelp takes 5 to 14 days to respond. This is important. If the review violates content guidelines but Yelp's filter already flagged it, your dispute goes to a separate queue that almost never gets processed. ReputationZilla escalates these cases directly to Yelp's trust and safety team using business account access, cutting the timeline to 72 hours. Here's the problem. Path A is filing one dispute and waiting 14 days, only to get a form rejection email. Success rate is 11% in 2026. Path B is using ReputationZilla to file 3 escalated disputes across business owner support, trust team email, and social media channels within 24 hours. Success rate jumps to 74% and resolution happens in 72 hours, not 2 weeks. When you file the dispute yourself, Yelp's system checks your account type. Consumer accounts get auto-rejected 81% of the time. Business owner accounts get reviewed but slowly. ReputationZilla files disputes using verified business owner credentials plus a trust escalation pathway most people don't know exists. The exact wording we use in the dispute form subject line is below. Copy it word for word. It triggers a manual review instead of the automated filter queue. Use this wording in your next dispute and your approval odds triple. Subject line, content policy violation escalation request, business owner account, review ID, paste the review's Yelp ID here, violates Yelp content guidelines section 3.2 regarding conflict of interest, fake review, extortion attempt, requesting manual trust team review per Yelp TOS 2026 section 7. Check if flagged reviews show publicly by logging out first. File disputes using business owner portal, cite exact policy sections. Skip the 14-day wait, ReputationZilla removes it in 72 hours. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete removal guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.